If you take a mango, cut it up cleanly and salvage its seed, then you can grow your own mangoes for free at home. If you take a tea bag, put a chickpea in it and wait 5 days, then you'll have free chickpeas for life. If you take a papaya, recover its seeds and plant them, then you'll have a papaya tree at home. If you take a date, recover its pit and sprout it, then you'll have free dates for life. If you plant an ear of corn in soil and water it, you'll be able to grow your own free corn at home. If you take a pomegranate, put the seeds in a plastic bag and crush them, you'll be able to plant them and have endless pomegranates. If you put 2 mushrooms in a blender, add water and make a juice, then you can grow mushrooms for free in your garden. If you plant a corn cob in soil and water it, you can grow your own corn for free at home. If you take a pomegranate, put the seeds in a plastic bag and crush them, you can plant them and have endless pomegranates. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link in the bio, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.